We are in Washington, D.C., heading from our attorney's office, and in the trunk we have an 800-page document that's essentially it's a petition that we are filing in the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights for violations of my rights by the Nicaraguan government. In 2006, I was falsely accused of a crime I didn't commit, and ended up being sentenced to 30 years in prison and spending over a year in jail before I was released by some very courageous judges. So today, right now, we are heading to the building of the OAS, the Organization of American States, which is where the Inter-American Commission is housed. So we're here in the OAS building in Washington, D.C. We're here at the front desk waiting to get clearance to be able to go up to the Inter-American Commission office. They're letting us up, which is a good thing. We just got approved clearance to actually go up into the Inter-American office. So everybody except the camera crew, unfortunately, is going to be allowed to go up. And looks like we'll be able to actually pass the document off personally to the representative from the commission, which is really great. We are back in a cab. We just officially filed the petition at the commission there in the OAS. There was about 6 of us that went in, my mother, our team of attorneys here from DC, and our Nicaraguan attorney. They held a pretty formal ceremony. They brought us into a conference room and asked really good questions, and you know, kind of educated us a little bit on the process of the petition and you know, how long it will take. And it sounds like they have thousands of cases backlogged. Currently, you know, in June of 2009, in the present, they're reviewing petitions that were filed as far back as 2005. So it sounds like it could be, you know, a long process. Now we are on our way to the Nicaraguan embassy here in Washington, D.C. My mother and our attorneys are going to go into the embassy and serve a courtesy letter to the Nicaraguan ambassador, essentially just informing them that we just came from the OAS, that we have filed a petition against the state of Nicaragua. It's really just kind of a gesture of again, courtesy. This is as close as I can get. We're going to set up a tripod and just film my mother and our attorney going in to serve this courtesy letter to the Nicaraguan ambassador. So that's as close as I can get. You know, Nicaragua is, the embassy is basically Nicaragua, so I can't go into the embassy. Yeah, we're not really sure what's going on inside the embassy. My mom went in with the attorney, and they might be in there just being received by a staff member, maybe the ambassador-to-be. We're not really sure.
We asked them if and encouraged them to cooperate with any requests for information that the commission might make to them about your case.
Right.
And he said, we'll consider it. And we then asked, are you in a position today to be able to confirm that the government will cooperate with a request from the Inter-American Commission? And he said he was not. That in principle, member states try to cooperate, but he was not in a position to confirm at this time that his government would do so. And that he would send the requests back to the foreign ministry in Nicaragua, and they would be the ones who would make the decision.
I feel really, really good. It's such a relief to just the symbolism of these gestures, you know, of not letting our guard down, and really, as you know, citizens taking advantages of, you know, the remedies that are available to us. So It feels great to participate, and I can't wait to just kind of put this in the rearview mirror and start the next chapter.
Yeah.